You just got to review comments on your pull request. Now what? Manually read each one, find the code, fix it, push, reply, resolve the threads, and re-request the review? Or you could just type one command and let Claude do all of that for you. Hey, I'm Corey Lanew. I build AI-powered developer workflows. And in my last video, I used a start issue skill to build a feature from scratch with Claude Code. Now that PR is up and it already has review comments from Codex. So today I'm going to show you how I handle PR reviews with another one of my favorite skills, the address review skill. Let's not waste any time. I'll fire up Claude D. That's my alias for Claude -- dangerously skip permissions. I always run in that mode. Now I'm going to type the /address review. And then I need to give it the PR number, which is 22. And that's it, one command. Now on this PR, there only is one review comment from Codex, so this is going to be quick, but I want to walk you through the full workflow because on a bigger PR with 10, 15, 20 comments, this skill saves a massive amount of time. The process is exactly the same whether it's one comment or 50. All right, Claude is off and running, so let me explain what it's doing while it works. The address review skill is a full end-to-end workflow for handling PR feedback. It's not just reading the comments and making edits. There's a lot more going on. First, it fetches all the review feedback from the PR, and it actually pulls two different types. There are the review threads, which are the line-specific comments tied to the file and the line number, and there's the pending reviews, which are the general changes requested in the feedback. The distinction matters because review threads can be auto-resolved through the GitHub GraphQL API. Pending reviews can't. Only the reviewer can approve those. Next, it categorizes everything. It figures out what each comment is asking for. Is it a code style fix, a logic change, a doc update? Then it goes to the file, finds the exact line, and makes the fix. And it follows a key principle. Make the minimal change that addresses the comment. Don't introduce unrelated changes. Just fix whatever the reviewer asks for. After all the fixes are done, it bundles everything into a single commit and pushes. Then it watches CI. If CI fails, it pulls down the error, fixes it, pushes again, and watches again. Same feedback loop I showed you in the last video. It doesn't move on until everything is green. Once CI passes, it replies to each review comment explaining what was fixed. Brief, professional replies, no fluff. Then it resolves all the review threads through GraphQL API. That's the part that saves me a ton of time. Manually clicking resolve on every thread in a big PR is tedious. Claude handles it automatically. And here's one of my favorite parts. It knows about bot reviewers. If Codex left a review, it will automatically post an @Codex review comment and trigger a re-review. Same with the Code Rabbit or Greptile if you use those. Now, for human reviewers, it requests a re-review through the GitHub API. So one command kicked off this entire workflow: fetch comments, fix code, push, watch CI, reply, resolve threads, and request the re-review. Let's check on Claude and see where it's at. Now we can see it's already addressed the review comment right here. Let's refresh this. Codex was actually flagged to already do another review automatically. That's a big part of this step, which is really important. So it pushed the fix, CI is passing, replied to the comment, resolved the thread, and requested a re-review from Codex. All done. Now here's what I want to know from you. What's your biggest pain point with PR reviews? Drop it in the comments. Is it the back and forth, the manual resolving, keeping CI green through multiple rounds of feedback? Tell me because I might have a skill for that already, or I'll build one. So that's the address review skill. One command to handle the entire PR review cycle. Fetch feedback, fix code, push, watch CI, reply, resolve threads, request, re-review, all automated. If this is the kind of workflow automation you want to see more of, hit subscribe. I'm putting out 2 to 3 videos a week, real workflows, real tools, no fluff. I'll see you in the next one.